I want the students who will be responsible for the future of the culinary industry to see the latest technologies. When you simply say robot, I think the image of delivering food is quite strong. There seems not just about delivering. I hope students can discover such things. We are introducing robots in the form of practical training. What can be done? Using robots, we are conscious of having to discover ways to utilize them beyond transportation. I guided the students. I still feel a bit nervous. Actually talking to customers and serving food comes with pressure. And since there are still areas where I'm inexperienced, my biggest concern is whether I will make mistakes when compared to humans carrying things. For example, robots will never accidentally drop dishes. From the perspective of having no human ability to transport safely, and the robot has about 4 levels also an time and arrangement. The bottom 2 levels when the customers finish about 5 servings. The robot carries I think we were able to make so effective use of the robot for that reason. The space for the robot to carry things is also quite large. It would be interesting to eat meals together with a robot.
AI も搭載されて自分で考えて自分で動くロボットとかできたらすごい嬉しいなと思います。
イタリアの人数は少ないんで大変じゃ大変です
Today,
けれども
I want to use robots and create a project where humans and robots
でいつも足り
can collaborate effectively.
るような動きができればなと思っております。
Humans alone cannot attract interest.
注目がなかったりするんですけど
New attention from customers that way too. It's impressive that the customers are showing interest in the robot. Explanation was also done in that good atmosphere. Today, I want to make at least one customer smile. Even if in terms of efficiency, having robots in the restaurant would make it run more efficiently. However, this time we made some customers wait, so I would like to improve on that for next time. Robots.
自分的にはやっぱ人型にしたりした方が
Humanoid would add more human-like qualities and make it more interesting. If you could also have interesting conversation, feel closer to the robots. I am currently working part-time at a restaurant. It's important to talk to customers.
バイトとかでも飲食店で働いてるんですけど、やっぱりお客さんと話してコミュニケーション取って、で好きなもの嫌いなものアレルギーとか、情報を得ることも大事ですし、
and communicate to gather information about their and allergies. Relying on robots for this could lead to mistakes. If we have no responsibility. After all, it's the users who take responsibility. Interacting directly with customers handle tasks like clearing plates and addressing parts that cannot be managed by machines. I think that's the most relatable way to use that kind of distinction. I believe that by leaving it to robots, we can indeed alleviate some of the labor shortages in the food service industry. I guess it's what you call human hospitality. I think there's also an aspect of service involved. How humans and robots will interact with each other. This perspective is something that generation need to think about and address a bit more. It was really enjoyable providing to see the customers' smiles. Yes, there were a few troubles here and there. It didn't quite go as I had envisioned after all. I will do my best next time. Running a restaurant is really fun, so I want to be more involved. When I actually tried it, I was really nervous. Before the restaurant practice started, but once it began, talking to customers was really interesting. Buono. In Italian.